know if you can hear the growling going on. This morning, Paris, all on her own, decided that she was going to share her breakfast with the puppies. So I gave her a leg quarter, and while I was getting the other dogs fed, I thought I heard her jump in the box, but I couldn't be sure, and started hearing this gurring, and I couldn't see. It was dark. I couldn't see what they were doing. Thought they were tearing up a potty pad, maybe. But there's a eye in there. I mean, a leg, actual chicken leg, drumstick. And the puppies are eating it. Pretty cool. They'll be 6 weeks old in 2 days. I don't know. I hope the lighting's good enough for you to see. It's still early in the morning, so there's not a lot of light in here except for artificial light. But you can see how they are ripping at the skin, getting it off of the meat. And then they'll eat the meat and gnaw on the bones. For a better camera. I think you get the idea there. There's your naturally reared, raw-fed puppies. It's the first time I've been able to capture this. Usually, this happens when I'm not looking like it did this morning, but I usually have more puppies and they have it stripped and gone before I know it. And not all dams will share their food with their puppies. Some will regurgitate for them, you know, their own food. Others will just start sharing with them. This drumstick was not in the box. Again, it was out on a towel in the kitchen for Paris, and she decided she wanted to share with the babies. That is a good mom, I'm telling you.